In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn on stealth in Proton VPN. Stealth mode in Proton VPN is designed to make your VPN traffic less obvious, which can help if you're dealing with network restrictions, blocked VPN connections, or limited access on certain Wi-Fi or internet providers. The good news is that turning it on is usually very simple, and the process is very similar across Windows, Android, iPhone, and Mac. To get started, open the Proton VPN app on your device. If the app isn't already running, go ahead and launch it as you normally would. If you're prompted to sign in, log in, and wait until the main screen fully loads. It's a good idea to make sure the app is updated as well, since settings can sometimes appear in slightly different places depending on the version you're using. Once you're inside the app, head over to the settings area. On some devices, you may need to tap the menu icon first, which usually looks like three horizontal lines. On others, you might see a gear icon for settings right away. Open that section so you can access the connection and protocol options. From here, the exact location of the protocol settings depends on your device. If you're using Windows, go to Settings and then Connection. On Android, open Settings and then Advanced. On an iPhone or iPad, go to Settings and look for security options. If you're on a Mac, open Preferences and then go to Connection. These are the areas where Proton VPN stores the protocol choices that control how the VPN connects. Now look for the option labeled Protocol. Tap or click on it to open the list of available connection protocols. In that list, select Stealth. After you choose it, give the app a few seconds to apply the change. In some cases, the VPN may briefly reconnect, and that's completely normal. Once the setting has been applied, your VPN will now use stealth mode. That means your connection is set up in a way that can help it blend in more effectively on restrictive networks. If you don't notice the option right away, just double check that you're in the correct settings section for your device. Also, keep in mind that some features may vary slightly depending on your operating system or app version. And that's it. Stealth mode is now turned on in Proton VPN, and you're ready to continue browsing with that protocol enabled.